Nolo Business Formation Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most entrepreneurs think forming a business requires expensive legal help, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides affordable, DIY solutions with expert guidance. Nolo's business formation packages start at for basic LC formation guidance. This includes step-by-step instructions, customizable forms, and checklists for filing your articles of organization. Optional services, like registered agent assistance or EIN application help, at cheaper service. More comprehensive packages, which include operating agreements and compliance tools, can cost up to, for example, a small startup can use Nolo to file an LGA, create an operating agreement, and learn the steps to maintain compliance with state regulations. Platform walks you through each process clearly, ensuring you don't miss critical details. Most users find Nolo saves money while providing confidence that their formation is legally sound. It's ideal for solopreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners who want control without high attorney fees. In conclusion, Nolo Business Formation offers great value for individuals starting a business. With clear pricing, guided forms, and optional extras, it makes forming and managing a business simple, affordable, and reliable.